Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about k nearest neighbors. Shortly we call it as KNN. Here we get a basic intuition about how KNN works. In our coming classes we go deep, step by step we go deep into the concept of KNN, then we go for implementation. So let's take an example and understand how KNN works. The example which we consider here is, it's about, this is the training data set which we considered. Here we are having three columns. Height is the input columns, weight is the output column. Okay, here the data set which we considered is input output pairs, means the KNN is a supervised learning model. If a model is working on based on input output pairs, we call it as supervised learning model. This we clearly discussed in our previous class, supervised learning models class. So here the inputs are height and age, weight is the output. For simplicity we are taking only 10 data points. This is the training data set. So coming to our testing data set, we are taking only one testing point. Here the height is given, age is given, we have to identify the weight. So how our KNN model identify the weight of this testing data point based on this training data set? So what it will do is, let's understand it graphically. If you plot this input data set, means height and age is the input. If you plot this input, it looks like this. Here how many points we have? 10 data points. So age is taken in x-axis and height is taken in y-axis, and we are taking at the height 5 and age is 45. What's the weight? 77. So we plotted this input data, height and age is on x-axis and height y-axis. So first point, second point, third point, like this, all the 10 points. What we have to identify here is 5.5, 38, 5.5 height and 38 is the age. What is the weight? That points comes here. Our testing point comes here. So what we have to do? We have to identify the k nearest neighbors. So what is k? Which value we have to take? Here we are assuming that k is 2. It's not need to take only 2. We can take 5, we can take 10. Which k value we have to take? All these concepts will go step by step in our next classes. For here, assume that we are taking k is equal to 2. So what our KNN model will do here is, it will identify the two nearest neighbors in the training data set. So this is our testing data point. KNN will identify the two nearest neighbor points in the training data set. For this testing data point, that is what KNN will do. So our testing data point comes here. It will identify the two nearest neighbor points. 5 and 1 are the two nearest data points in our training data set to this testing data point. For suppose our testing data point comes here. What are the two nearest neighbor points in the training data set? This and this are the two nearest data points in our training data set. This is what k nearest neighbor do. So how it will predict is, it will, based on this two nearest neighbor points it identified, based on that k nearest neighbor will do prediction on the testing data set. If k value is equal to 5, what our KNN will do is, it will identify the 5 nearest neighbor points, and based on those 5 points our KNN will do prediction on the testing data. How the prediction will do, how it works in classification, how it works in regression, all this concept we'll cover in our next class. Okay, this is the basic idea about how KNN algorithm works. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.